Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products so you don't have to. Today, we're looking at a product designed to address some of the common concerns of mature skin, the Body Firm Crepe Facial Repair Treatment. This product promises to help firm and hydrate the skin, targeting wrinkles and fine lines, while nourishing the skin with ingredients like shea butter, collagen, and vitamin E. It's marketed as a facial moisturizer with added benefits for the neck, which is a common area of concern for many as we age. Let's get into it. The Body Firm Crepe Facial Repair Treatment comes in a 1.7 fluid ounce container, which is a decent size for a facial treatment. The packaging is sleek and compact, measuring just 1.41 by 1.41 by 4.9 inches, making it easy to store or carry for travel. Its formula is dermatologist-tested and paraben-free, so you can feel confident that it's gentle on your skin. When you first open the jar, you're met with a light citrus scent, which isn't overpowering, but is definitely noticeable. This could be a hit for those who enjoy subtle, refreshing scents in their skincare, but if you're sensitive to fragrances, it might not be for you. Now let's talk about the product's main ingredients. Shea butter is the star here, delivering moisture to recondition delicate skin, especially in areas like the neck and jawline. Collagen is included to help support the skin's natural elasticity, potentially giving it a firmer, plumper appearance over time. Vitamin E works as an antioxidant, helping to protect the skin from environmental stressors. When incorporating this into your routine, the texture is thick, but absorbs well into the skin without feeling greasy. I found it to be very soothing on the skin, and it provides a nice base for makeup. The application is easy. Just apply a small amount to your face and neck after cleansing and before any other treatments. The cream spreads evenly and leaves your skin feeling soft and nourished. In real-world testing, I've noticed a gradual improvement in the texture of my skin after using this for a couple of weeks. It didn't completely erase my fine lines or wrinkles, but it did feel like my skin was more hydrated and plumped, which is an important step in combating the visible signs of aging. The neck area definitely feels firmer, which is an area that often gets neglected in skincare routines, so it's great to see a product that focuses on this delicate area. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this cream is incredibly moisturizing, and the added collagen and vitamin E make it feel like a luxurious treatment. The citrus scent is refreshing, and the non-greasy texture means it won't leave your skin feeling weighed down. Plus, it's dermatologist-tested and free of parabens, which is a plus for sensitive skin. On the downside, while the moisturizing properties are great, I didn't see an immediate reduction in wrinkles or fine lines. This could be due to the nature of anti-aging products, which often take longer to show visible results. Also, the fragrance might not be for everyone, especially if you prefer fragrance-free skincare. In terms of value for money, the Body Firm Crepe Facial Repair Treatment is on the pricier side for a 1.7 ounce moisturizer. However, if you're looking for a specialized neck and face treatment that targets fine lines, the ingredients and formulation could justify the price. It's definitely more expensive than some drugstore options, but you're paying for quality ingredients and a targeted anti-aging solution. When comparing this to other anti-aging creams, there are definitely more budget-friendly options available that focus on hydration and wrinkle reduction. However, many of those lack the targeted neck treatment that this one offers. If you're specifically looking for a product to firm the neck area, this could be a good option, though there are also alternatives like CeraVe's neck cream or Olay's anti-aging range that are less expensive. As for build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. The jar feels sturdy, and the design is clean and modern. The cream itself has a long shelf life, as it doesn't contain any harsh preservatives or ingredients that would cause it to expire quickly. Now, if you're considering whether this product is worth it, the decision really depends on your skin concerns and budget. It's a solid choice if you're looking for something that hydrates and firms the neck and face. But if you're strictly after wrinkle reduction, it may not be as fast-acting as you'd like. So, is this product right for you? If you're in your 30s or older and dealing with fine lines, this could be a great addition to your skincare routine, especially if you need extra hydration. However, if you're on a tight budget or seeking a quicker fix for wrinkles, there are more affordable options that may better suit your needs. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget, you can find the link to purchase in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.